back to another Scania build episode. I think this is build episode number 3. If you haven't seen any of the other episodes, click here and you can go and watch them. So we're going to head on over to where the Scania is now and start stripping bits off it, ready for shot blasting. So let's get over there. Okay, so we're just turning up now where the Scania is. If you're wondering why I'm in a Mercedes, that'll all become apparent. Here we are, this is where the Scania is. Well, here she is. So where do we start with her? I haven't got a clue. Oh dear. Looks like we might have a flat battery. We're going to get it started and then going to move it over here. And I think the first thing to come off is the tanks. Oh, I ain't got a key. We have a key. Wind wipers are on. Whoa, straight into life. Turn them off. Just going to move it over into the middle there so we can get a forklift either side to get the tanks off. I've got quite enough air yet. I don't want reverse. Oh, there we go. I'm back in my Scania. Yeah. Build out. Oh, hello.
Lubrication.
Lubrication. A little bit of lube on there so we can get them off. You got any gloves? Got to protect my lorry driver hands. Right then, come here, you. Oh dear. Well, that weren't on by much, was it? I got 3 bits off. Oh, it's not on a plug. I don't know if I should have pulled that light off, really. I'm just getting excited. I'm doing all right. Look, I got this off. Nice. Have a look what I've done around here. Are you impressed? Look, making progress. This.
You were nearly there.
You were nearly there. I'm not sure. I probably shouldn't have pulled it off because that's not got a plug. Where's your bin?
Get some tubs delivered.
Oh, get some tubs delivered. Wow. Right. Get the wing tops off. These ain't no good, are they? Let's be honest. Oh, that's just broke. Put that off. Oh. Yes. These tyres are good though, aren't they? Look. This one's not so good. Oh, hang on, we're off. I feel like work is actually finally starting now. You know, now bolts are coming out. Oh, these are perished.
If you don't put originals on.
Yeah. Oh, another one. Oh. Yes! What are we going to uncover here then? It's happening. They're no good, are they?
Unless you want to keep them.
I don't want them. I think the only thing I'm going to keep is these mud flaps. I might give away the mud flaps to one of you guys actually. If you'd like to win Trucker Tim's mud flaps here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I want the mud flaps, and I'll choose one of you at random for the mud flaps. We'll get these bad boys off. There's one. This bloody light. Yes! If you want these, you know what to do. Oh, I've just had a rubbish bin delivered. Thank you. We'll soon fill that up. Kind of feel like I should keep this. I think we're going to get a private plate for it anyway. Catwalk off. There we go.
Could be a keeper.
A keeper box.
Let's give it a keeper box.
Is that a keeper bit, is it?
That's a keeper bit.
I'm going to keep that. Oh, it's strapping itself back up. So we're going to put this under here to take the weight of the tank. There we go.
I'll get a pallet and we'll stick on the pallet.
The tank's off. It's a big old tank, isn't it? So now what can you see? I don't like it when you go quiet.
I'm looking too
What are you looking? Don't look too much. My word. What are we going to uncover here? I'm standing where the tank was. Progress is being made. Put that with that. Don't want to lose that.
Someone's put a strengthener in this one. Look at that one. No. The worst one I've seen for a long while.
Oh, good. Oh.
Whoops.
Oh.
He'll be alright.
We'll be right. Okay, good. He goes quiet for a bit and then...
Just need to stop looking.
Yeah, this is all bent up here. We discovered that on the last video. What's this?
Oil cooler.
What is it?
I'll get you another socket.
Oh, they're different.
Another one.
3 different sorts. Just what you need. Ice cream brake. PTO tank. Oh my word.
Don't look. Don't look.
What can I hit? What's this added on piece here?
Spacer.
Oh. Oh, woo. There's a little bit of surface rust. We are absolutely cracking on. Stop looking at it.
She'll weigh a lot less,
Yeah. Yeah, we'll weigh a lot less.
Yeah, you start taking these out.
Next piece off. Oh, look at her now. Oh, hang on. Someone's tech screwed the light in. Josh, have you seen this truck before? Where's a hammer? Let me knock it off a hammer. No, airbag's deflated. Yes!
It's off.
It's off.
It's off.
No good to no one. That's that bit off.
I'll tell you what.
2 in 1 go.
I'm going to need a new one of them.
Is that quite new?
That is quite new.
That's mint.
Ooh, that's mint.
That's mint.
Oh, there's something mint on the truck. That's a keeper. We'll keep that bit. Right, we'll do this bit next.
Oh, 12 minutes.
This might need a new one. Is that a keeper bit? It's not really, is it?
No.
Look, there's about... Might need another bin box. Oh dear. Do you like my new diesel tank, guys? Look at that. I think we might leave that on and just box around it. How far do you think that'd get me? Let me know in the comments how many miles you think I'd get out of that. Is this one ready? It is. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this far too much. Look at our box here. Yes. Is there anything else I can hit with this? Ooh, a bit dusty. So I think the next job is to get these off. Apparently it's quite easy. Pull these like this. Oh, Richie was on about you can get some wide ones.
Yeah. More rounded ones.
More rounded ones. We're gonna have them.
Yeah. Let's get.
We don't want that then.
We'll lift the cab up then.
Oh, good luck lifting the cab up.
Is it?
Yeah. Ooh. Nice strip. Right, next one. Oh, this is very enjoyable. Yes.
You're not getting a job here.
Oh, is this not the normal procedure? Oh, that was fun. A little bit of stress relief.
They always come apart quicker than they do going
Yeah.
back up.
I'll probably leave putting it back together to you.
No, you'll be alright. That bracket's had it anyway.
Yeah, that bracket's had it. Yeah, look. Ah, see. Just this bolt here. You see my truck of tin stickers here. 530 V8. Just trying to get the cab up a little bit. About these air horns, these look quite new, don't they?
Okay.
Oh, hang on.
Okay.
They're not very... They're a bit mobile. I'm sad to say, it's probably about the 4th time I've seen this engine since I've had it. There's the new fuel filter.
Completely different to the other side. It's a 14. 13, 14 and a 12.
A 13, 14 and a 12. They've covered all bases. Get this one unclipped here. And then it's literally just that. It should come off. There we go. How fun. Yes! It's looking more and more like a skeleton. Let's get these in the bin. Gonna keep these. Oh dear, my force fell off. I'm gonna take these home. Grills coming off, he says. Oh, here we go.
It just want a nudge.
Here we go. I'm stacking it up nicely for a thumbnail. Here we go. Right, we'll do this bottom one. Oh! There we go. You cut that wire. Oh, snips. Oh. Another piece. Look at the size of the pile. Poor old thing. We're helping it. We're saving it.
Saving from the
Saving it.
scrapyard.
We're saving it. We're going to try and get the 5th wheel off now. Look at this airbag. Oh my word. So we put that in there and then we can lift that off with a forklift now. It's all come off in one piece. Check this out. Look at that. Nice. And that's it, you take a 5th wheel off.
Don't look good, does she?
Oh, wow. What are your thoughts then, mate?
Yeah.
No?
See what's left when it's blasted.
Yeah. There probably won't be a lot left when it's blasted. Let's be honest.
It looks worse than it is, I think.
You think it looks worse than it is?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
You want 2 customers, but I think that's more build up of paint.
Yeah, it's just a build up of
Several layers of different years of
all
paint.
sorts of stuff, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Rust, paint, putty, everything there, isn't there?
Everybody wants a cross member there and a cross member there.
Yeah, a couple of cross members. I don't know what they're going to do here with this. That diff has been plated up, look.
Funny, isn't it?
No idea. Look at her now. There's not much of her. The front grills are off. I think we'll do this all another day though, get all this bit off. But yeah, progress is definitely being made. Right, so there we go guys. I think that'll do for one day. We've got a good pile of stuff here. I'll probably give these away as well. I wonder if we can whip them off now quick.
Had 15 bags.
So we'll get these air horns off. I'm going to give these away as well to one of you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and put in the comments, I want the air horns, and I'll choose one of you at random and you can have these air horns, and I'll choose another lucky person to have the mud flaps. There we go, unplug them. So here is the goodie pile. Not these, I'm going to keep these, but yeah, make sure you subscribe, put in the comments either I want the mud flaps or I want the air horns, and I'll choose one of you at random from the comments. Just stuck in my hands and my arms. There we go guys, that was a very, very productive day on the Scania. I can't wait for part 2 of the stripping, where we're going to continue stripping and then we're going to get it in to be steam cleaned. We've got to steam clean it, get all the grease off, and then it's going to go in to be shot blasted. Yeah, so I say on the next video we'll get all this off. Wing mirrors, air kit thing, and the light bar and the sun visor. So now it's all stripped down, Darren.
Yes.
Now what are you thinking? Oh, don't go quiet on me. What are you thinking now? No different really.
We need to get it blasted.
You're not going to say a lot more until it's blasted, are you? Yeah. Ooh.
A good clean of it.
Give it a good clean. That'll blast some stuff off, won't it, as well?
You'll be surprised after a good clean. It'll be a different motor.
It'll be a different motor. It will be when it's blasted. Yeah. Really good. Can't believe how much stuff we've got off it. Mad. Right, I'll see you soon, Laurie, for the next step in the process. And I'll catch you all later, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave a comment as well, because I read all your comments. And yeah, can't wait to bring you guys along on the journey. I'll speak to you all later, guys. Cheers!